Join me in exploring the next level of image enhancement. Let's see how to colorize and sharpen old photos with the advanced NanoBanana image enhancer model. Enhancing and colorizing old photos or sharpening the ones that didn't turn out nicely, all done super fast without having to know how to do it manually with Photoshop, is one of the greatest advancements of AI. Anyone can easily enhance any photos at home. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating this process with the UniConverter, more specifically with its NanoBanana model, which compared to the Generate Enhancer features in the UniConverter produces much better results. I'll also show you a comparison later on in the video. Now, before we move on, be sure to get the UniConverter if you want to follow the tutorial. You can download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. When you have it, open it up and look for the Image Enhance AI tool. On the right side, you'll find the enhancer functions. Scroll down to the advanced NanoBanana model. Click on Advanced Old Photo Repair. Here, we'll use these two functions to enhance old images. So, let's import them. Note that the advanced model features can't be combined with the other Generate functions. So we'll have to perform these two enhancement features one at a time. Let's begin with enhancing. First, click on the Old Photo Clarity Boost function. Then, choose an output folder and click on Export All. The feature will be performed in a batch on the imported images. When the process is finished, go ahead and import the clarity enhanced photos. Now, click on the photo colorization feature. The same way, choose an output folder and then click on Export All. Now, for a comparison, let's import the original photos again in the Image Enhancer AI tool. This time, we'll use the basic enhancer features. These can be performed simultaneously, so we'll only do one round of enhancing here. First, turn off Auto Enhance up here, as we won't need that one, and then turn on the Advanced Repair function and the Old Photo Colorizer function. The same way, choose an output folder and click on Export All. This is a faster method, but let's see how the results compare to the advanced model. As you can see, the results aren't bad, but there is a significant difference between the two, especially when it comes to enhancing photos that are very old and scratchy. Alright, so this is how to enhance photos with the NanoBanana model. The other feature of it is clarity and light enhancement that we'll cover in another video, but feel free to try it out in the meantime. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.